Welcome to this quick guide on enabling email notifications for birthdays on the Facebook app on PC with the latest update. If you want to stay on top of every birthday without missing a beat, this is the tutorial for you. First, open Facebook on your computer and sign in. From the homepage, locate your profile photo at the top right corner. Click it to reveal a small drop-down menu that holds all your account options. Next, find and select Settings and Privacy. In the expanded menu, choose Settings. This takes you to a central hub where you can manage almost every aspect of your Facebook experience. Now, look for notifications on the left-hand side and click it. This section controls how you receive alerts for birthdays, messages, tags, and more. It's where Facebook keeps all notification preferences organized. In the notification settings, you'll see a list of categories. Scroll to birthdays. This is where you can tailor birthday alerts to your liking. Under birthdays, you'll find options for different delivery methods. From birthdays, enable email. Toggle the email option to activate birthday reminders sent to your email address. If you don't see the email toggle right away, make sure you are in the birthday subsection and that you're viewing the latest update, as sometimes settings can reorganize slightly with updates. Once the email option is turned on, you're all set. Facebook will start sending birthday reminders to the email you've linked to your account, helping you remember friends' special days without having to check the app constantly. A quick tip: if you don't want emails for every single birthday, you can adjust the frequency or combine this with other notification settings to fit how you like to stay informed. And if you ever change your mind, you can revisit the same path and switch email off.